Hello again. India Plus Social Good has had its final session on climate change and energy, and two of the panelists are here with us today. There is Abhishek Hambad of NextGen and Mr. Jaju of Honorgy, who were panelists in the session. Can you take us through what Honorgy does and what you spoke about in the panel?
Sure. So at Honorgy, we provide clean energy access in rural areas. We are currently covering over 1,000 villages, providing a range of solar and other clean energy solutions. Particularly in the panel, there was discussions around climate and energy, and the focus was more on about climate change and the brunt of the problem happening in rural areas, and what we can do, especially for sustainable development and providing decentralized energy solutions to the underserved population.
Abhishek, I know you work a lot in advising companies on what they should do, what they can do to help with their CSR strategies. So, are there any particular points on that you'd like to elaborate on?
Yeah, the CSR bill in India brings in about $3 billion of CSR capital. And CSR capital is a high risk, low return capital, a very patient capital which can help you experiment on a lot of social projects, on a lot of new business models, new technologies. And especially in renewable energy, which is very, very capex intensive, this capital can come in very handy to experiment, pilot, incubate new ideas, new technologies, new models in different areas. And once successful, can be scaled up in a big way because corporates are coming in, and the definition of scale for corporates is very different, and it can then be replicated by the government and countries globally.
I mean, a question here is you are on the ground trying to do this and trying to put projects on the ground. So he talked about replication and scalability. How tough is it really to, to actually set up these projects?
It's extremely challenging because we are talking about a space wherein the ecosystem does not exist. When we're talking about reaching to the last mile, then there is no proper distribution network. We need to create that distribution service network. There are hardly any financing options, so we need to bring in banks and microfinance institutions to make these solutions affordable. We need to understand the needs of the people and also develop right kind of technology. So we have to look into so many different things in order to make it actually work. And any kind of business, and especially in rural areas, the kind of challenges multiply much more. And then looking into and working on building a model around it.
Abhishek, are corporates in India doing enough on CSR?
Yeah, I think everyone would want 100%, not 2% of the profits into something like CSR. And the corporate responsibility, I believe, is a way of doing business and not just a part of doing business. But I think this initiative would encourage corporates to think differently. And once they think differently and realize the value in this, I hope that it spreads across 100%.